everyone, today we're gonna talk about reduce in Java 8. And first of all, let's take this example. Here we have a list of cars, and the regular way to go, like to loop through the list, you have the for loop and you get the price, you calculate it, like you add each price to the summation, and then you print that price. So let's run this test and see what's gonna happen here. Alright, so you are getting the right amount, the right calculation. Let's write our test now for the reduce. Public void test reduce. Alright, so here we have, as you know, we have the cars, and then we have the stream, and we're gonna filter, we're gonna map, and what we want from this one, we want map the price, and here we're gonna reduce, and in the reduce we're gonna use what we have, A, B, and this will retain A plus B. Close it. Alright, what's complaining about now? Let's write from again, like this. A, B, we have AB and A plus B. Now, what do we have now? We should have everything, that's it. Alright, what's the problem with it? Yes, it looks good. Now, as you remember, like from the last session, we talked about the optional. Optional object here, and here it's integer for sure. So sum equal, and here we're gonna assert that 6100, and then we're gonna have the sum that get. Alright, equal to what is it complaining about now? Okay. Cool. Let's run this test. Alright. So both tests pass. Now let's add this one, see what's gonna happen. Boom, fails. And alright, so this is the test, and now I'm gonna introduce you to another one, an easy way to do that actually. Let's call this one sum1, sum2, and let's fire the magic of Java 8. Integer, here we add the sum. Alright, what is it complaining about here? Oh, sorry. What did I? Alright, so I by mistake I was so excited and I deleted everything. So alright, so this one now, let's see what's gonna happen, and boom, everything looks good. So as you can see here, we replaced this equation by what we have here, or this function, lambda function, with integer sum. It will take the two numbers, sum them, and return them back. And as you know, as you understand, as you know, this is like a pipe, you know, like, and it's a sequential process. It will go to first element, add it, second element, add it, and etc., etc., until it sums all the values. Now let's take another example here. Let's talk about another example of reduce here. Let's talk about find this. Let's say max should be 2000. Is it 2000? Yes. And here we're gonna do assert that 2000, I'm gonna say equal 2, and we're gonna use our magic here, cars dot stream dot map, and here we're gonna take all can use this one actually, which is fit price. I really hate this when it closes everything. Okay, right here. Alright, let me take it out because it gets confusing sometimes. Dot. Okay, so here now we're gonna do the. Alright, we say the max. Okay, reduce, and in the reduce we're gonna say integer max. Take this guy, put it here back. Right, let's see if we are good. And max is not 2000. Why is that? So expected. Okay. Okay. Say get. Okay, so that's a problem here. Like, because here it's returning an optional object, and it's wrapped. So I'm gonna do this now. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Alright, let's do the same thing here. Optional integer. Call it max. And here we're gonna go max dot get. Give me my value. And here we go, 2000. Looks good. Same thing, you can do the minimum as well. Minimum should be, if we look at the minimum, it should be 100. Let's talk about here 100. And here, this should be minimum, easy peasy. Run it, all good. Let's, I mean, if I change this value, I have to change other things. So anyway, I can do this. For example, I can do it 900, and I can this 200, and the test should fail now. Alright, so the minimum failed. It says it should be 200. Change it to 200. Run my test. All good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this session, and see you next session.